Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And markets opening with a gap up today and then starting to move down, taking support from previous days closing, at least Nifty, and then starting to move up and closing at the day's high. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty exactly opened at this trend line and then took resistance and then recovered and closed near the day's high today, right? So definitely Bank Nifty is a little bit more weaker, but what we can see over here in the market is that both of the indices are not really showing a lot of momentum, right? So that's why, what we can do tomorrow in Nifty at least is that, say, if we open flat or if we even open with a gap up, say somewhere near 19,560, 550. So with a small gap up, we can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till 19,600, right? Now, two things can happen tomorrow, right? Either we see slow selling coming in from here, right? That will be one scenario, or we could see slow buying coming in after the breakout, right? Any of those scenarios, and that will determine where the market will go. Because today market had a chance, sellers had a chance and they could have closed the market over here itself, right, at the lower levels, and then we could have seen more sell off tomorrow. But if you see in the second half, there was buying happening, although the buying is still not very good, to be very honest. If you see, there are a lot of wicks in, or all of the candles. That means there is not a lot of decisiveness in the market as of now. So that's why we will keep our quantity less for tomorrow and trade. We'll give the market one day, we'll see how the market reacts, and then we'll go ahead and go aggressive in either of the directions, right? Either bullish or bearish. But yes, if you see in Nifty is at a very good place where we can go ahead and go bullish from here till 19,600 first of all, and then sorry, 19,570 first of all, and then 19,600. However, one correction that I would like to make, which is an important one, is that, yeah, I said that 19,600 would be the level that need to be watched out for in the weekly analysis video, but actually 19,680 to 600, the zone needs to be watched out for. And it was my mistake, and I realized that after posting the video. So yeah, keep in mind this zone of 80 points. If market sustains above this zone, then we can go ahead and see good buying coming in the market. But again, tomorrow, if market has to go, market will close it bullish itself, right? Or market will at least not see very good sell off from higher levels, right? If the market has to go up. So if we open, say, open flat and start moving up, we go ahead and at least go for a buying position till 19,570 to 580. Then the price action that gets made over here will be very important at this zone, 19,600 to 19,570, in this 30-point zone. Watch out for price action. Are we seeing very good selling coming in from the zone? Because if we are seeing very good selling, then we'll need to get cautious and we'll need to go bearish from there. Why? Because as I said in my weekly analysis video also, this could be very well a bull trap over here and the market could start moving down again. So if we are seeing good selling in coming in from this zone, then we'll need to look for price action in 15-minute chart. If the 15-minute chart gets bearish, right, if there is negative price action in the 15-minute chart, then you guys can go ahead and also go short from here in the market easily till first of all 19,440, right? And then even bigger targets on the downside, and the bigger targets, by bigger targets I mean even 19,000. So tomorrow will be one day where we will go a little less aggressive in the first half. We'll see how the price action is made throughout the day, and then in the second half, how the market is reacting to these higher levels, then we will go ahead and take a trade accordingly, right? On the downside, say if you open with any sort of a gap up near 19,440 or below it, then we will be straight up bearish because market is bullish and now it is opening with a big gap down, right? So a lot of people today will also get trapped over here, and a lot of people will also have put stop losses near the swings over here, right? So tomorrow if you open with such a big gap down, then we'll wait for the first 5 minutes, and once the low of the first 5-minute candle is broken, we will go ahead and take a short trade in Nifty. Our target will straight up be first of all 19,320, 320, or you can even keep 19,360. But yes, 19,320 can be an easy target, and then 19,240 can also be a very good target. But if that happens, then even even, speaking positionally, there, even 19,000 opens up as a very good target in a few days, right? Talking about Bank Nifty has exactly closed at the trend line over here, same as I'm sorry, same as Nifty. So if we open flat and start moving up, we can go ahead and take a bullish trade above 44,650. In Nifty, we could have taken a trade above, today's closing itself over here, right? But in Bank Nifty, we'll wait for 44,650 to be broken, and then we'll go bullish from there till 44,800 on the upside. Then this trend line will be very important. If we are not seeing good buying coming in from this trend line, and if you are seeing, big red candles being made near this trend line, right? By big red candles, I mean, if you see today's first candle, right, how red it is, right? And if you see over here also, so there was very good selling when the market reached this trend line, right? So if we are not seeing big selling coming in from this trend line, then we will stay bullish over here. But if we are seeing selling coming in from this trend line, right, such selling, then we will go bearish from this trend line, right? So if we open flat or with a small gap up, then we'll go bullish from here, first of all till 44,800 to 780, right? And then if we see good selling come in from this trend line, then we will go bearish from here, right? If we open with any sort of a gap down below 44,400, then we'll wait for the first 5-minute candle, and then once the low of that first 5-minute candle is broken, then we'll go bearish from here. Our target first of all will be 44,200, and then the second target will be 44,000 on the downside. This is a very good support over there. So markets might take a little bit of support, might wait over here for a day, and then continue its down move, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today. And tomorrow for the first half, we will keep our quantity low. We'll trade a bit lightly, and once we know where the market is going, once we are seeing the price action in the market, and look out for buying and selling. How is the buying happening? How is the selling happening? Once you get the idea of where the market is trying to go, then you can easily get a trade and find the direction of the market. But yes, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.